welcome to vlog week 5. I'm a little bit overwhelmed right now because I just hit 1 million followers on Instagram and this is my reaction. I cannot believe it. It honestly means the world to me, and yeah, I'm excited to kind of share with you more of the journey. I want to do a how I started my Instagram video on YouTube, sit down, have a chat with you guys and just kind of show my appreciation. Thank you so much for your support, and what an amazing Monday. I've just filmed my CVS drugstore haul, and this is my full face. This is what it's turned out like, so I'm super happy with that, and stay tuned for the video on that too. I'm not going to vlog too much over the next few days because I'm actually going to New York on Thursday, and that's going to be the highlight of week 5's vlog. So yeah, so I'll be vlogging mostly from New York with my girls and with Maybelline, who I'm going away to New York with. How crazy is that? And yeah, it's going to be such a fun week. I can't believe how lucky I've been to jet set across the world these past few weeks. It's been insane. I will give you a glimpse of what I'm up to over the next few days, but I'm excited for New York and I need to unpack and pack this mess. Hey babes, it's Tuesday evening and today I've just been like filming some bits for Instagram and yeah, just catching up on some work. But I'm actually off to an event this evening who I was away with in Miami last week, so I'm looking forward to seeing them again. Long time no see. And also apparently we can get our ears pierced by Maria Tash, or someone that works for Maria Tash, so that's exciting. I don't really know, I've got like little pixie ears, but I love ear piercings, so yeah, let's see what's in store for my little ears tonight. Guys, I'm at the Mandrake Hotel for the IGK event and it is beautiful. Seriously, look at this. It's like marble, everything. Oh my gosh, there's some kind of like, some kind of chair over here that's a bit scary, I'm not gonna lie. Reunited with my little Miami crew, Susie and the #1 with Chopper. Just entering the piercing room. Whoa, what is that? Is that like a bath full of diamonds, casual? True, yeah.
Yeah, and because you've got such a bendy conch as well, if we go too far out, it's going against that curve.
Okay, bendy conch.
I know your curves, girl.
She knows my bendy conch curves.
You got the bag I want. Oh, I've got to take your clip up with hair on the front. What is
It happens so quickly.
A really nice double chin.
Yeah.
Thank you. To be honest, I've pierced my lobes myself at school with safety pins. God, babe, this is going to be so much nicer than that.
Wow.
It's been a really great experience.
It was really, it was actually fine. It was just like a boring maths lesson. I was just like, oh, I've got a safety pin in my pencil case. I'm going to pierce my ears.
Perfect, well done. Just going to feed that through. Just going to feel some sliding. How are you?
Fine.
That was like a question mark fine. I think I'm okay. There we go,
That last little bit hurt. Whoa, you're like so up in my grill. Oh, I just felt like a chunk of my ear come out.
There wasn't a chunk of your ear there.
Look at my little elf ears, everyone.
Oh, I love it.
My little pixies.
I love it.
Oh, that's so beautiful.
Yes, that's really beautiful.
I love it. Thank you so much. Me and Sue's just like bathing ourselves in crystals. You know, only the best for us. Guys, that was such a success. Look at this little cutie, like nestling in my ear. How cute is that? Actually obsessed. It's Thursday evening. I just got home from a night out with Buzzy. And my best friends have surprised me with this amazing balloon for hitting 1 million followers. Look, it says congratulations CC Clarke Beauty on 1 million from dun dun dun. Oh, love from Rax, Abby and Chloe, aka Clodge. Oh girls, this is too cute, and they've actually got cake. Woo! Right, you're not allowed to see until the candles are lit. Your local fans, your fans from the local area. Is this the right way around? What are we singing? Oh yeah, make your own song up. You got to make your own song up.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna turn into happy birthday.
1 million followers, something on the wall.
Oh no. If you've got 1 million followers, clap your hands. If you've got 1 million followers, clap your hands.
If If you've got extra friends, clap your hands.
My friends left a few hours ago. It's like 2:45 and I leave to go to New York at 5 AM. But because I've like been jet lagged for the past week, because I've only been back from Australia and Miami for 6 days, I am always awake at night. I always leave packing to the last minute. So I've got 2 hours left. I think I'm gonna do it, guys. I think I'm gonna do it. So the past few days have just been a bit of a catch up, really. I've shown you my highlights of the week so far, but the best part starts in a couple of hours. Actually, no, it's gonna start when I actually get to New York. I wanna take you along for this amazing whirlwind. I've never been to New York before, let alone New York Fashion Week. I'm going with Maybelline, who are like my favorite brand ever, and there's exciting things to come with them. And I'm going with Jamie Genevieve, Amy's Makeup Box, Rachel Leary, and Natalie Higton, who I absolutely love. All these girls are just my dream team, my dream team. We're such good friends, we're gonna have a good time. I'm quite worried about my packing situation though, not gonna lie. Shall I show you? So this is what I'm dealing with. And I have about an hour and a half to get all of this inside this, which is already full. I've just landed.
Easy spilled red wine all over me.
I spilled red wine all over us, but we've drunk 2 little bottles each. We're feeling good. And now we're going to meet Natalie from Maybelline. Yay! They're alive? Yep. James alive. Yep, just. They're looking too fresh for my liking.
Not being funny, Cece spilled red wine everywhere.
We have a driver for Jamie, driver for Cece. Hello, you.
Like, what's your wine? 'Cause I thought it was over there. She goes, what?
I literally punched the wine all over. Wow. You know what time it is, guys. Oh, that's harder than I expected. Yes. I have all of my favourite products. Keep me going for this New York Fashion Week. Yes! Guys, I can't believe it, but I've just got dressed for our first show at New York Fashion Week. I'm late, so I need to go and meet the girls. Story of my life. This is nice.
We ordered a taxi.
Tell us what you're wearing, Jamie.
Wait, absolutely nobody.
Same.
Top Shop.
Lush.
And this is
Faux burbs. Faux burbs. And you, Rach, what are you wearing? A nice coat that I spilt wine on earlier. So guys, I'm wearing something that literally feels like a glove. It's House of CB.
Your boobs look amazing.
About to say, it's tits.
Unreal.
Gucci belt, Gucci bag, pretty little thing, coat.
Love.
And Public Desire heels.
You look stunning.
Thank you.
I use my GoPro, so I have.
So guys, we're at our first fashion show. I think it's Kushni et Ox. Kushni.
That's it.
We're excited.
Jack, where you at, man? Come on, we miss you.
Oh, everyone misses Jack. Oh, this is so cute. So we're going to the Standard now for some drinks. Thank you so much. Woo. No way. Jamie just got a card and it's a flipping Jack and it's not focusing. But Jack, it's her fiance.
Oh, we Jack.
It's a sign, isn't it? How weird is that? Good morning, good morning. Well, I don't know about good morning. I feel like death warmed up. Last night was incredible. First day of Fashion Week, we nailed it. We went to a Kushni et Ox. No, don't know if I said that right. We went to that fashion show and it was sick. And then afterwards we went to a bar and Snoop Dogg played. Oh my gosh. Insert video here.
Right. Yeah. What it do, my nigga? Say for the king thing, baby. With you, blow jump, niggas, so with baby. And that roll in the label, that baby. We done
It was so much fun, and today it's like 8:30 right now and I'm getting ready because I've got to be down there at 9. We're going to a fashion show for 10. Guys, we're all alive! How? I don't know
How are we on time as well? I'm so sorry.
We're on time as well, Nat. Are you proud of us?
I'm so proud. I thought I've been banging on doors this morning. Come on, girls.
Right, where are we off to now? Where are we off to now?
Self-portrait.
Self-portrait! So this is going to be our first fashion show. Self-portrait. Self-portrait. First fashion show of Saturday. This is literally like, this makeup is off last night's makeup. Actually,
It's called Hungover Chic. I'm having a burrito.
Oh gosh, I'm not very good at this, am I?
I'm gonna get the calm. That is so good.
Look at all this food.
I need to really focus.
Isn't it just like so ready for this? I have like 3 drinks. Well, actually, I just finished my coffee, so it's the Bloody Mary now. It's cold and it's raining. Wow, this is bougie. This is the red room. Waiting for Jonathan Simkai. Just sipping my agua mineral sparkling Vessa. Backstage at Jonathan Simkai. I'm excited, it's gonna be good. Look at this view. Hi guys. Hi. Summoned. I'm being summoned. Where am I being summoned to? I'm not quite sure. Morning guys. Oh my word. It's been such a whirlwind so far. It's Sunday morning and New York has just been insane. The best group of girls I could have asked for, best brand, like so many fun things. Oh, it's just been crazy. To think we've gone to fashion shows, sat next to celebrities, we've gone to see Snoop Dogg. Oh, it just feels so crazy. I've loved every single minute of it. And today we have our Maybelline party and then tomorrow we go home. Today the Maybelline party is like the most important event of the day. However, we're going to this thing called Dog Pound, which apparently is like an exclusive workout place. Like, it costs a lot of money to work out there or to be trained by the people there. I'm not sure, but I'm dressed in my gym gear and I'm a little bit nervous. My hand's like shaking. I did just have like 13 hours sleep though. How crazy is that? I needed it so badly. I'm really enjoying vlogging though, guys. I hope that you're enjoying it too. And yeah, I think it's definitely a challenge, but if you think it's worth it and you're really enjoying my weekly vlogs, then please let me know, because I will persevere and I'll get better and try and improve. And yeah, I know I've got a lot to learn, but I mean, I love watching vlogs. I love watching, like, for instance, Jamie Genevieve, who's on this trip with us. She vlogs every week and I look forward to watching her vlogs so much, because you feel like you've become a part of someone's life. You followed them around, they do really interesting things, and yeah, and her vlogs have really grown and done so well over the past year. Just need the encouragement, because it is hard work, very much so. Also, let me know if you want me to be sticking to like uploading every Sunday evening or every Monday evening. Let me know if you also don't mind if sometimes it's a Monday, sometimes it's a Sunday, because for instance, today, I obviously want to include the whole of New York in this week's vlog, otherwise it's a little bit disjointed, and I was thinking I'll upload it for Monday. So I'll edit it tomorrow morning. Yeah, let me know what you would prefer. Off to work out. Why, oh why are we doing this? Dog Pound, here we come. Oh my goodness, I'm dying. I'm dying. That was the hardest workout all of us have ever done in our lives. I just need a few minutes to just... Oh my goodness, we're gonna feel so good though after, well, once we've recovered, we're gonna just feel strong. Look at my little baby muscle, if you can call it a muscle. So I need to have a shower, and then I'm gonna go to Rachel's room and we're gonna get our hair done by Jen Atkins hairstylist, so that's exciting. All of her team that she's trained up to like the Jen Atkins standard are gonna do our hair, which is so exciting and incredible, and I'm excited. Jamie's about to get her hair done. Got our beautiful hairstylists here. Nearly finished doing my makeup, but I don't know what to do with my hair. I decided to go for 2 braids, guys. I'm actually obsessed with how Britt has done my hair. It's so gorgeous. Once I finish doing my makeup, I'll show you the final look. Another week, another piercing at Maria Tash. Oh wow. We're about to get pierced. I can't believe this. It's like, Nat's scared. Don't be scared. I'm gonna film you. No. I think I'm gonna go for, here we go again, little pixie ears coming out. I think I'm gonna go for this bit up here with like a little half moon. So cute. Jamie's getting her rook done. What part's that? What part's your, is it rook? No.
This bit.
Yeah, that bit, which looks amazing, which looks like...
I'm getting this eyeball done.
I actually really like that.
I'm getting, no, you don't.
I actually do. I do. I'm part of the Illuminati though. Yeah, this is the bit Jamie's getting done. Can you see that little ring in that little area there?
Yeah, my pleasure.
Second pen of the week. If you hadn't noticed, I had that my conch done.
I've noticed. Yeah, who took care of you over at Liberty?
I actually had it done at a beauty event.
Oh, Penny was there.
Yeah, Penny did this.
She's great, isn't she?
Penny, shout out to Penny. Penny the piercer.
Cool, but subtle.
That's
she's
cool.
amazing.
Am I cool?
Yeah,
Say to the camera, I'm cool.
Now she is subtly cool.
Cooler than, sorry Anthony, cooler than Anthony.
Yeah.
She was out here for a week before, a couple weeks actually before.
No, that's thanks.
Okay? You're a champion, huh? You didn't even make a noise or budge or wince. You're great. Now she winces, right? To make up for it.
I just winced just then.
I saw that. The rest of this just feels like sliding though. You're doing great. I like how everybody just walks away. Like, oh, we're done now. That's fine. Cool.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Perfect. Let me just scroll on the front. How are you making out?
Fine. That's absolutely fine. You know that song reminds me of you, Jamie, because of Coachella last year. Oh my god, yeah. Because you were so excited about that.
Oh.
So beautiful.
Oh, I think you're really gonna love that.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
I'm going with those in.
I think that year's...
Oh my god, it's so nice.
I think that year's finished now. That's actually. Do you reckon I'm done on that ear?
Have you had 2 done just now?
No, just one.
Oh, is that the other Maria Tash when they go?
Right?
Wow.
It's
So glad you got that rather than the light.
I love it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. My pleasure.
Guys, this is our last night with Maybelline. It's been an incredible trip. I'm wearing all House of CB and this lip, I think it's called Treacherous or something. I'll check. Does that ring a bell, Treacherous? And I've had my hair done by Jen Atkins' team at Main Addicts. But yeah, we're all so excited. Look at this beautiful setting. Amy's just doing her thing, getting those grams. And this place is so gorgeous. And we're ready to have an amazing last night.
Alright, you're all set.
Yes, this lighting though. Oh, I'm literally blocking it. Thank you very much. Jamie's on the phone to her mum. Hello, Grandma. Yeah, I'm just at a party. Yeah, really good, thanks, Grandma. No big deal, guys, but Gigi Hadid is about to come down the stairs. I might use this bit as the last bit of the vlog.